Good evening, everybody. It's 5 o'clock in the evening, 28th of September. Market has closed, and I have four stocks here, which has given a very good golden structure trades. And if people are looking at this video first time, they can go back to my series of videos before to understand the concept, maybe initial 1 and 2, and then you'll be able to understand in a clear manner what I'm talking about. So this is what the trend has done today. In 1 minute chart, we can see the higher highs in the morning, right? And then we see when the market is exhausting, we see three consecutive highs. 1, 2, 3. So once the third high has been formed, the second peak low has to be taken off. Then there is a shift in the market structure. All right. Now, how do we trade this? We got to wait to market to come back up, test the second peak high, and we start trading our setups after it has given us 2 to 3 test of this area. So this is the first move up, pull back, second move up, pull back, third move up, and then we see our rejection candle. We look for a rejection candle and a close below that. So we have a sell off from this place. The stop loss goes above this high, and your first target is the swing low, first swing low. I have emphasized enough the first swing low, the market always accelerate towards that, and it is easily achievable. After that, we can always trail through to our consecutive swing lows for our further targets, target 2 and target 3. The market is supposed to take for the liquidities which it has created in the morning, all these swing lows. So usually market will try to clear all this liquidity before deciding to continue down or to move back up. So in that process, the first target is always achievable. After that, market may go back up. So you have to start trailing this. But then never counter trade this structure. Once this structure is formed and the trade is initiated with a pin bar, it is likely to go and clear entire liquidity of this flow before it starts doing anything. It is quite possible the market come to the first target and then reverse back up. So you have to start trailing your stop loss from the time you have hit your first target. Let's go to Bajaj Finance. I've already marked here. See, morning we have seen the 3 peak formation, 1, 2, 3. These are the 3 peak formations. Market broke the structure, low of the second peak formation here. Once the structure is broken, market is shifting towards the bearish side, but we need to wait for this level to be tested again. Market comes back in the form of a channel, which is very important to understand how the market comes back in. If you see trend in before, this is how the market has come up in a channel wise, 1, 2, 3. Same as in Bajaj Finance, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, market comes here, test this price thrice, 1, pull back 2. This is the pullback 3. You get a pin bar up, you get a closing below this. You initiate your trade here, keeping a stop loss on the top, and your first target is this when the structure has broken the swing low. This is your first target, and then you can take all consecutive lows. This is your second target, and then ultimately the low of the day. Not sure when the market has gone, maybe missed by some points. Maybe it will clear this in tomorrow morning. So this was also a very fine trade. Let's go to the McDowell. McDowell has the same structure. We have a peak formation here, 1, pullback 2, pullback 3. Either you can take from this or from this movement here. This is the first peak formation. There is a small pullback which is slided on the right side. Then you see another second push up, then deep pullback, and third push up, right? And this after third peak formation, we have seen that the low of the second peak has been taken off. We wait for market to come back and test this high. We are looking for a minimum 2 to 3 touches. 1, pullback 2, pullback 3. We get lots of pin bar. Any closure below the pin bars, initiate your trade on the sell side. Stop loss goes above this, and your first target is the swing low. It is achieved, then you can go for the second target as this, another swing low, and then you can continue. All this market is mostly going to hunt for all these lows to clear the liquidity, which it has done, and it has cleared everything. The market can decide anything from here, maybe continuing down or going up. All right, so let's go to VEDL. Okay, this is what we see in the morning. Morning it has been pushing up with the higher highs. This is the last consecutive 3 highs, 1, 2, 3. The market takes out the low of the second peak formation. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Takes out the low. We wait for market to come back and test this high. Market goes towards that in a bull channel. High, low, high, low, high, low. Gets into a bull channel, tests once, pull back second, pull back. This is third. Third attempt, we are looking for our usual pin bar. A close below that, you initiate your trade. Stop loss goes above the high of the pin bar, and you start targeting for your first target as a nearest swing low. And then this is the what is it? So this is the what market has done. So your first target is always achievable. This is maybe around my 8th or 9th video. We have always seen the first target is achieved, and we still get the deeper acceleration towards down. So we have yet to see which trade is going to fail. Maybe somewhere in the future we will have some video where our trade is filling off, but right now it is the 9th trade, I guess, and we have been achieving all at minimum of first target, and 90% of the time we are achieving second and third targets. So please practice this. The more you try to identify the structure and more you work on that, you will start understanding how the market is behaving. And if you are following my channel, probably I also post videos during the live market, in between when there is a structure has formed, is supposed to go to the targets. So if you are subscribed to my channel, probably you'll get the indications whenever the video is getting uploaded. Thanks a lot and wish you all the best.